Hello everyone, this is Shriram Balaji. In this video, we'll do a hands-on on how to create Dataverse tables. Let's get started. Let's go to Design Studio. So let's go to the data workspace. First, we'll create a table called online courses. This table will hold the fields for the courses. So I'll just say online course, that's the name, and then the plural is online courses. I say yes, primary column, call it name, save. It'll take a few seconds. So on this table, what I'm going to do is, since it's storing the course information, we have to collect the course description, then the course start date, when the course is going to start and when it's going to end, what is the registration deadline, and what is the name of the instructor who's going to take this course, when the registration will close, and the status and the course fees. So we'll do one by one. Um, like me, course name is here. So we will do the course start date. This is date and time, and I just want date only. I don't want the time. I say fine, save. This is the start date. Takes a few seconds to save. The course end date. This is also a date only. I'll save. Just takes a few seconds to save. Okay, and then I'll say add one more. There's one more date. It's the registration. Um, registration deadline. So this is the date when the registration will close. So I'll say date only. Registration deadline. The next one will be the instructor name. So I'll say one more instructor name, same kind of text, and say I'm fine, I'm safe. The next field is whether the registration is closed. So this will be choice. So I just have to say whether registration is closed, yes or no. So I save this. So this will actually help us to say what are the courses where registration is still open. Um, the last couple is the status, right? So the status I'll have now choice. Say I have two choices. This is the course status choice. I'll say open, and there's one more closed. There's the course is open or closed. I just save, and then this will be course status. Just the default status none, and then just save it. So that's the course status. Saving it. The last field we're going to create is the course fee. It's going to store how much we're going to pay for this course. So let's say course fee. So that is data type is currency. Say yes. Okay. So we are done with the online course table. So we'll create one more table for the registrations. So we'll call it course registration. Okay. And yeah, name, fine. Now, in this table, we have to capture who's the attendee for the course. So I'll uh, actually, um, what we'll do is for now, we'll say what is the course. We'll capture what is the course. It's a lookup. So that's it's a lookup to our online course table. This is the course we're taking. The next couple of fields is one is the registration date. We have to capture that. So when the student registered, registration date, and we have its a date only. It's a registration date, and the final will be the attendee name who attend the course. Sorry. Yeah, it's a single line of text. That's the attendee name. Yeah. So that's it. We have our tables. That's going to store data for our Power Pages site. So we have online course and we have course duration. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Hello everyone, this is Shriram Balaji. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create Dataverse forms. This is a hands-on, so let's get started. So we created the course registration table and the online course table in the previous video. There is one small change we need to make. The attendee name, we said that it is a single line of text. Well, that's a mistake. What we need to do is we need to make it as a lookup to a contact. So I'll be deleting it and adding a new column and make it a lookup. So for now, I'll call it attendee name, right? So the data type here will be a lookup to a contact. So this will be a lookup to the contact table. So I'll say contact, save. Okay. So there's one more change we need to make. We need to add one more column to store the course ID, which is an auto number. So let's do that. So ID. So you have a data type as auto number. Fine. I'm going to say course is CS course, and that's a prefix, and this is it starts from 100 1000 rather. Okay, and I'll make that change. Just takes a few seconds. Just sync it. So this will sync all the changes we made before we start creating the forms. Now we'll go ahead and create a new course registration form. So I'll go to forms here, say a new form, course registration, call it um, our page form. Okay, it takes a few seconds. Uh, the first field I'll add is the attendee name who takes the course, um, right? As well, let me just zoom it a little bit. So we have the attendee name, the course this attender is going to take. Yeah, so we have the course that is going to take, and the registration date. We look for registration date. That's pretty much it. So in the course registration, in the Power page, we'll actually use this form. So we'll have the attendee name, the course, and the registration date. Okay. So we'll hire the owner. This is required field. We'll just hide that. We don't want to show the owner field. We'll just hide. Save. So we are having the attendee name, who's going to attend the course this attendee is taking, when is he registering. That's pretty much what we are capturing in this Power page. So this, rather, it's a Power page form. So this form will be using in the Power page shortly. I'm just publishing the form. Yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.